sir, like we were discussing your issue that you are having with your present crane where the operator is not able to see how to lift the metal and all. We have come up with a solution, sir. I will just discuss how the whole solution will go. So it is basically for vertical as well as for horizontal cameras, horizontal cranes. So sir, this is your basically crane operator. He is sitting somewhere here in this area. Okay. So in this area, if you see, he'll have a 220 volt AC power supply. Okay. And this is your crane, which is basically lifting the material. So what we'll do, we'll give you a camera which will be installed here. Now it won't be a welding, it will be a nut and bolt installation. I'll just write, it will be a nut and bolt installation. You can just open it, recharge it and again put it back. Now which place we have to put, that will decide when we come there. The picture will come like this, okay, and it can be done, many places are there, it can be installed. Now I'll just show you one more, this is for the horizontal, like it can be also installed in this sort of crane. In this crane you see here, this is the place where the installation can be done. So the camera will be installed, the person can take the pictures here. Now the same can also be done if you are having a vertical crane. We can install the vertical area here. Okay. So this is the whole thing. So we are coming up with a solution. Now in this there will be a box here, SS or CS, that will decide. There will be a tube, very heavy, special. We will make it a bar stock tube. If you know what is the bar stock technology, bar stock technology is a technology where, sir, we take our solid iron bar and we drill it out. So it increases the mechanical. It increases the mechanical strength and a lot, and it gives a lot for handling property. Besides the crane that will camera that will design for you, it will be a web-based camera. We need a Wi-Fi. Okay, we need a Wi-Fi connection. The data will come in Wi-Fi in your place, and also we will give you a power supply along with a camera, along with a battery backup. So once you recharge, you can at least on a full charge, you can at least use it for 7 days. That way we are designing the whole system for you. Thank you, sir. Hope so I have answered your questions, and after this video there are many things. Hello sir, आपसे जो बात हुआ था, ये क्रेन का सोल्यूशन जो हम लोग बना रहे हैं, क्रेन कैमरा सोल्यूशन. देखिए हम बेसिकली क्या चाह रहे हैं इसमें, एक सिलिंड्रिकल, ऐसा एक सिलेंडर टाइप का एक अरेंजमेंट होगा. ओके, दिस विल बी मोर लाइक अ सिलेंडर, दिस थिंग, एक सिलिंड्रिकल ऐसा अरेंजमेंट होगा. ओके, एंड ये वाला एक ऐसा सिलिंड्रिकल अरेंजमेंट होगा which will go like this. It will be a cylinder arrangement, और इसके अंदर ही आपका पावर सप्लाई रहेगा. ओके, एज वेल एज द कैमरा सिस्टम, ये दोनों रहेगा. ओके, एसएस का बॉडी का रहेगा, दैट हम लोग ODID वगैरह डिसाइड कर लेंगे. और ऐसा टाइप का एक कैमरा होगा, ऐसा टाइप का, कोई भी ब्रांड का हो, ब्रांड इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. ओके, ऐसा 360 टाइप का कैमरा होगा, ऐसा जिसका 360 व्यूइंग एंगल हो. ये याद रखिएगा, जो व्यूइंग एंगल होगा that should be, viewing angle जो होगा that should be 360, नहीं तो मजा नहीं आएगा. ओके, और इसी के अंदर ये बैटरी पैक रहेगा. there will be a battery pack inside this. और जो कस्टमर एंड है, कस्टमर एंड के अगेंस्ट में ऐसा स्क्रीन होना चाहिए. there should be a screen जिसमें कि ये कैमरा का डेटा यूजर देखेगा. this will be a Wi-Fi based camera. okay, this will be a Wi-Fi based camera. so this is the whole thing. So I hope it is clear. और आगे का तो हम आपको ऑलरेडी भेज दिए हैं वीडियोस, कहाँ कैसे क्या लगेगा एंड होगा.